In this video, I am going to show the process of bringing design data into PLM. Here, I have updated my design and would like to push this data from the CAD environment into Propel using a module called Design Hub. I create an import session and enter a few details before adding the mechanical bill of material file that came from the design tool. In addition to the BOM structure, I am also able to add a number of artifacts that will be associated with the corresponding items as attachments. Next, I move to the mapping step and select the option that is created specifically for the source. Here, I can preview the data and structure before committing to the import. Notice that the BOM structure matches the CAD assembly structure. Once the process is complete, I have the option to add the items to a change order or view the matching item in Propel. And just like the preview, I see that the same items are associated with the control panel in the BOM tab. Since our design has both mechanical and electronic components, I need to also bring in the electrical data. I simply repeat the same process as the mechanical design, but use the electrical mapping as the ECAD tool may have different fields that need to be brought in. Given that there are no errors to resolve, I will now import the files. Once complete, I will then go to the new assembly inside Propel. I can see the parent that was associated with the item since the mechanical design included a placeholder for the circuit board. Here, I take note of the preview, which shows the same BOM structure as my ECAD tool. I can even go to the Attachments tab and preview the drawing that was brought in as a part of the session. Here I can make annotations and continue on with my digital product thread. You have just experienced an import session with Propel Design Hub.